falling and human. Without you, Lord, I have no chance to be like you and this romance. But you choose me ere the world began. Nothing could change your plan. This divine romance is my heart's deep plan, is my heart's deep plan. I became a lonely man to court my country girl. Nothing could deter, nothing could deter, nothing can alter, nothing can alter my eternal love for her. I'll give my country girl. No man or angel ever knew the sacred hidden deep in you, that you desire to be one with man before the world began. The sense came in to ruin me through Satan's scheme and subtlety. Nothing could break your love for me to gain me totally. This divine romance is my heart's deep plan, is my heart's deep plan. I became a lonely man to court my country girl. Nothing could deter, nothing could deter, nothing can alter, nothing can alter my eternal love for her. I'll give my country girl. As King of Kings, you became a man. You died for me, I've been redeemed, and resurrection made us great to marry you, my King. From death you rose and entered me. I'll now possess your divinity, and life and nature were the same, but you, man and divine. In your love I'm drawn, in your love I'm drawn. To you I belong, to you I belong. I am not my own, Lord, I'm yours alone. By your love I'm drawn, by your love I'm drawn. In your name I'm charmed, in your name I'm charmed. And your person captured me, for I've been kissed by thee. Lord, and this close sweet fellowship, Lord, be with me, so intimate, so personal and affection, a sweet relationship. Lord, diligence my inward being. Lord, all my heart will see.